Here at ServPro, we help people on what's basically the worst day of their lives. Maybe they had a fire, maybe a water main broke, whatever. It's not good. So I like to say, we're not really in the restoration business, we're in the hero business. And I want to show you exactly what I mean by that. Disasters happen when you least expect them. So that's why we have dedicated dispatch personnel here to answer your phone calls 24/7, 365. Just like my friend Blaze here. On top of that, we also have something called a 148 response guarantee. That means within 1 hour of your call, even if it's 3 a.m. on Christmas, you're going to get a call back from our on-call staff scheduling a time to get out to you. If it's an emergency, within 4 hours, they will be on site to provide emergency mitigation services and stop the damage in its tracks. Within 8 hours, you're going to have a scope of work that both you and, if necessary, your insurance provider will be able to go over so you know exactly what you're dealing with. That's just one way that we make any disaster like it never even happened. The first step of any ServPro job is mitigation. How can we stop any further damage from occurring? That's why it really pays off to have an IICRC certified experienced technician, like our friend Stormy here, on site during your loss. They can really assess what can be restored, what needs to be replaced, and everything in between. How you doing, Stormy? Great job. After the mitigation process has taken place, the next step is usually drying everything out and eliminating any more moisture in the structure. This is really important. Any lingering moisture can cause structural damage, as well as biohazards, including mold. Our buddy Blaze here is getting ready to load 100 of these air movers onto our vehicles for a large commercial fire. Hope you had your Wheaties this morning, bud. After the drying process starts, then it's time to start cleaning the structure itself. ServPro uses over 100 proprietary products, along with specialized techniques to make your structure like your fire loss never even happened. Don't forget your fire star, Stormy. Even textiles that have been exposed to some really nasty fires can be cleaned nowadays thanks to our very new, very cool Asporta industrial grade washing system. This system, independent studies have shown, can clean up to 90% of the soft contents that previously used to have to be disposed of, even if they've been exposed to fire, smoke, soot, water, even biocontaminants. Not only can it clean them, it can get them up to food grade safe. How about that? Think you can throw in my mask there, buddy? One of the most vital things that ServPro does to make your loss like it never even happened, we get rid of the smoke smell. Deodorization is one of the most important services that we provide, and we have all sorts of specialized techniques and tools, like this ozone generator, to make it happen. Hey Stormy, let's make the world smell good again, right? After the restoration process ends, then it's time to rebuild. That's why we here at ServPro the Southtowns have our very own full-time reconstruction team. Get out there and start building a better tomorrow, Blaze, huh? I hope walking through the warehouse here with you gives you a little bit of a better understanding of what we do here at ServPro the Southtowns every single day. The restoration process, it's got a lot of moving parts, but what you really need to remember is we're not in the restoration business, we're in the hero business, and we're here for you to make it like it never even happened.